Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your SiteGround web hosting, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you block an IP address from accessing your SiteGround website? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to block an IP address from accessing your website using your SiteGround hosting anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes you get a huge amount of traffic from another country or IP address that seems to be spam. So maybe it's better just to go ahead and block them completely so it doesn't slow down your website. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your SiteGround dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my SiteGround dashboard, and this is the home screen. Now here in the home screen, if you want to go ahead and block an IP address for your website, here on the top bar, you're going to click on websites. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see a list of your websites that you have with SiteGround. So go ahead and choose the website that you want to start blocking IP addresses for. So for example, this one right here. Once you found the website, off to the right, you're going to click on Site Tools. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this other menu here on the left. And to block an IP address in your SiteGround website, click on Security. Once you click on Security, you're going to see another menu, and you want to click here, Blocked Traffic. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all the IPs already blocked. However, to add a new IP address to be blocked, go ahead and enter it in right here. Once you've entered it in, you're going to click right here on Block. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to block an IP address from accessing your website using your SiteGround hosting, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.